JBL is renowned for producing high-quality audio products, and their headsets are no exception. The best choice for you depends on your specific needs and preferences. Here's a breakdown of some popular options. Number 1. JBL Tour 1 M2. And finally, the crown jewel, number 1 on our list, the JBL Tour 1 M2. This is the ultimate headset for those who want the best of the best, with adaptive noise-canceling, customizable sound through the JBL app, and absolutely stunning audio quality. The Tour 1 M2 is everything you could want in a headset and more. So should you buy it? Absolutely. If you want top-tier sound and premium features, the JBL Tour 1 M2 is the headset for you. Number 2. JBL Quantum 100. Coming in at number 2 is the JBL Quantum 100. This one's a versatile wired headset that's compatible with almost any platform, PC, console, mobile, you name it. It's got great sound, it's comfortable, and it won't hurt your wallet. It's perfect for those who need a reliable headset for gaming and beyond. The number 1 spot is just around the corner, and trust me, it's worth the wait. Number 3. JBL Quantum 100P Console. At number 3, we have the JBL Quantum 100P Console. This is a budget-friendly wired headset that's perfect for console gamers. It's lightweight, comfortable, and delivers solid sound for your gaming needs. And with the detachable mic, it's easy to switch from gaming to just listening to your favorite tunes. But don't go anywhere. Our top 2 picks are coming up, and they are absolute game changers. Number 4. JBL Quantum 910 Wireless. Next up, at number 4, the JBL Quantum 910 Wireless. Gamers, this one's a dream. It's got that immersive 360-degree sound that makes you feel like you're right in the middle of the action. Plus, it's wireless, so no cables are getting in your way during those intense gaming sessions. Stay tuned, because we're just getting started. There's a headset coming up that might just blow your mind. Number 5. JBL Live 660NC. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the JBL Live 660NC. These wireless headphones are perfect for anyone who wants great sound quality and long battery life. They've got adaptive noise canceling, which means you can block out the world and just focus on what matters. Your music, your podcasts, your peace. Why should you watch till the end? Because the best is yet to come. And if you think these are impressive, wait until you see what's next.